Right, here we are. It's day 9, I think, or 8. I can't remember now. Just checking bikes in, and then race tomorrow. So yeah, so check my bike in. There she is. As you can see, helmet's on. Ready to go. So there's all the other bikes checked in. There's quite a few. So yeah, there you go. So what I do now is drop my gear bags off. So these ones here, which is my transition bags, and then yeah, go home and try to relax, which I'm not sure if it's possible. So basically over there is the is where we'll be heading out on the bike, and then basically the end of the pier is over aquí. So yeah, so nice hot day. Tomorrow's supposed to be hot, obviously. No rain, bit of wind, humid, Kona day. So yeah, excited. A little nervous, but yeah, going well. And got my Grafton Triathlon t-shirt on too, just to help the local club. Hey, why not? There you are. So anyway, that's it.